The story of Nehemiah, rebuilding faith in the walls of Jerusalem. Nehemiah was a faithful servant of God living in exile in Persia. When he heard Jerusalem's walls were broken and its people in distress, his heart was moved. He prayed to God and fasted, seeking guidance. Nehemiah served as cupbearer to King Artaxerxes. With boldness and favor from God, he asked the king for permission to rebuild the walls. The king granted his request and provided supplies and letters of safe passage. Nehemiah traveled to Jerusalem and inspected the broken walls by night. He shared his vision with the people. "Come, let us rebuild the wall of Jerusalem." Inspired by his faith and leadership, the people rose up to build. But not everyone supported the work. Enemies mocked them and threatened their safety. Nehemiah prayed and set up guards, saying, "The God of heaven will give us success." Each family worked side by side, repairing gates and walls with unity. With one hand they held tools, and with the other they held weapons. The people grew tired and fear crept in. Nehemiah encouraged them, "Don't be afraid. Remember the Lord, who is great and awesome." Despite opposition, the wall was completed in just 52 days, a miracle of perseverance and divine help. When enemies saw it, they were discouraged, knowing God was with the people. Nehemiah also led spiritual renewal. Ezra read the law, and the people wept, then rejoiced, worshiping God. Nehemiah remained a strong leader, upholding justice and teaching the people to honor God. The story of Nehemiah reminds us, faith fuels courage, prayer builds vision, unity creates strength, and when God is with us, no wall is too broken to rebuild.